Okay, we're back from CES 2026. Although it might be a bit late to post a video like this, but still, I think there are some excellent products out there that haven't been covered much. So here they are, the best products of CES 2026 from Gizmochina. The first one, best comeback, it is KODAK. Many people know KODAK by using their film or cameras. It's the memories of many generations. But we know their film business was not that great now. They licensed out the brand to many dealers from different regions, the same way Philips does. That's why we're seeing so many different products from this brand. Like there's a little retro camera. It has the 9084 retro camera look, but in a very tiny form. It is so cute. It has a 12 megapixel sensor inside, which can probably take an old style picture. It might be cool to share on social media again. At the price of $30 each, you gotta get the whole collection. Now they're also making some old style cameras. We know that the trend now, Gen Z is hopping on these cameras and taking some pictures as if they traveled through time. It is pretty cool. Anyway, there are many models with the pixel counts of 13 megapixels, 16 megapixels, or 20 megapixels, and the real 4x or 5x optical zoom. Depends on what style you want it. There are many options. You should check them out later. Other than the cameras, they also sell speakers, and why not a camera-shaped speaker? Should be cool. Or some modern speakers should also be okay. As I mentioned, KODAK has many dealers, so you may see many other products in different categories carrying the KODAK branding. When you see those, don't be surprised. Get one of those if it is cool. This year, I saw a lot of physical AI products, either translation devices or robots. But the best physical AI products, I think, is this one, XBOTGO. It is sort of the perfect gift for a soccer dad. Basically, it is an AI camera that can track the movements of a person on a sports court. When you choose the camera on a person who either has the ball or is wearing a certain jersey number, it will lock the focus on that person all the time, then record all the highlights. Coach can also use the footage to review the performance of each player, then give advice to the team. It can also be used for broadcasting or point recording, so this is a super useful AI gadget for sports. In a country like the USA, the sports industry is so developed. There are fancy sports centers, a really good media center, and a lot of talented players. After the CES, I even went to an NBA game for the first time, and I was just amazed by the experience. Back to this product, I think there will be a lot of people who will want this kind of a portable device to record game highlights. It just makes it so accessible to everyone, right? Not gonna lie, but DREAME did show up big in CES with all the household products you can imagine. Anything you need, you have it. From robot vacuum, pool cleaner, to hair dryer, air purifier, and even cars. I mean, is it possible to build a portfolio that big, that fast? I really don't know how they did it, but again, some of the upgrades are practical though. You see the arms and legs on the robots. At one side, you would think, is it really practical? Then you think about it again. Don't you need to pick up the socks, toys, and cables on the floor before the robot vacuum does a thorough clean? Don't you need the robot vacuum to climb up to the second floor to clean that area? Don't you need the robot to pick up some stuff on the surface of the pool so you don't need to do it? So it's very clear robot arms on household products are practical and it will be useful. For other products, they are created with attention to detail. I haven't tried them, but it's nice to have those from the same brand. Maybe you can control them with just one app. Lastly, the car. It is still a prototype, but let's see if we will see the final one soon. So this is the reason why I think DREAME is kind of the best household brand right now. Let me know what you think. So Insta360 released the A1 360 drone earlier. It is truly impressive and it makes me think 360 drone, why not? But it has already gotten a lot of endorsements it can possibly get. I think something else also deserves it, which is this, the HOVERAir AQUA, a drone that can fly on water to record highlights of surfing, fishing, or sailing. And it's fully waterproof, so it can fly off on the water. We know that the regular drones and the water don't mix, but water sports expect a lot of splashing or certain moves. Regular drones may not be able to perform well in those kind of situations. So this HOVERair AQUA is the best fit. It has a fully sealed body. It can float on the surface of the water and also take off from the water. If the drone is somehow upside down, it can flip itself over, then take off again. To control this drone, there's a module that can be attached to your arm. Then you can select the mode you want and also let it take off or land. This module also serves as the RTK for better tracking. For the image quality parts, we will need to wait to see if we can do a review for it. Hisense was the first manufacturer to introduce a consumer RGB mini LED TV in 2025 and has expanded the lineup for 2026. While this tech is not exclusive, Hisense made it first. The Hisense 116UX is a large screen option for home entertainment. With a 116-inch display, it offers a spacious viewing area, which works well for watching movies, sports, or shows with family or friends. The RGB mini LED and ULED technologies support 4K resolution, which provides clear images with noticeable detail in most scenes. With the RGB mini LED, it significantly improved the color accuracy, brightness, and contrast by using individual red, green, and blue LEDs in the backlight. No need for color filters and achieving wider color gamut. So when I was standing in front of it, the contrast performance is solid, with the darker areas appearing relatively deep and bright parts not overly washed out. The TV's overall functionality meets daily needs without unnecessary complexity. Okay, these are the top 5 best products I picked out from CES 2026. You may have seen so many other products already, but these are truly unique in their own category and deserve the endorsement. If you also think they are good, comment below about your thoughts. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you at the CES next year.